Here in the lower Hudson Valley, visiting a favorite sourwood tree, or Oxydendrum, which is a native to North America. Not in commerce, it's not readily available in my experience. And now we're in July, and these beautiful fragrant flowers that hang down. It's a really special native tree. In my experience, it grows on the edge of a woodland, so hardwood forest, maple, oak, beech, naturally existing, and this would be on the edge of it. Fall color is particularly spectacular. Those white flowers are nearly a cream color, and the fall color is quite a scarlet or cardinal red, and so it's quite striking. Cream flowers and red foliage, which holds the foliage and the flowers for a fair amount in the fall. Really spectacular, special tree. And native, so adapted to the rigors of growing in the northeastern US, cold winters, hot summers, heavy rain at times, and some periods of drought.